So my name's Annie. I am a lecturer in Sociology and Criminology here at Central St Michael's. So the question that I've been asked to look at today is how is college different to school? So the real big thing is obviously you get to make some choices about what you want to study. So you get to actually hone your interests a little bit and actually say, do you know what, I want to study, for example, sociology, I want to study economics, or, I want to study politics, for example. And you get to make those choices. There's not subjects that you're told you have to choose like at school. Differently to school as well, your timetable will offer you a little bit more flexibility. So for example, you might have a 9 till 11 lesson on a Monday morning and then nothing else till 1 till 3. So you get those 2 hours in the middle of the day. We're not going to put you in a classroom and tell you what to do. We're going to give you the option to either go and do some studying, maybe you've got some homework to do, assignments to catch up on, or maybe you want to go and have something to eat with your friends. There's a lot of facilities around us for you to do that. Maybe you want to go and do some shopping, but that is up to you. You make those choices. Consequently, you also have to deal with the consequences of that as well. If you decide you don't want to do your revision or you don't want to do it, obviously that's on you as well. We're going to treat you more like an adult than you've had at school. So you get the fun of that, as I said, with your choices and with what you do with your time. You do get a hell of a lot more flexibility. So that allows for some students, they take on small part-time jobs. Maybe they do some volunteer work in the community because they have much more flexibility with their programme, as opposed to it being a 9 till 5, you're in all the time during that time period. You also might want to take advantage of some of the sports facilities that we've got over the road at Sandwell College, and you might want to engage with those a little bit more if you're really into, for example, basketball or football or rugby or anything like that. They might be something you want to get involved with. We've also got things like the student magazine, which some of our students are involved with, as well as student council. So there's lots more opportunities that you might not necessarily have in the same way that you did at school.